Flamingo!
Let's learn our colors with cars today. Red. Purple. Yellow. Blue. Uh-oh, there's no color bucket for this. What are we gonna do? It's blue. We're gonna have to feed it to the shark. Oh no! Bye. Green. Red. Orange. Green. Uh-oh, it's blue. We gotta feed it to the shark. We don't have a blue bucket. Green. Yellow. Purple. Uh-oh. Oh, it's blue. Oh no, the shark took him away. We don't have a blue bucket. Green. Orange. Purple. Red. Orange. Yellow. Uh-oh. It's a special color. Uh-oh. Blue. Bye-bye, blue. Orange. Red. Yellow. Orange. Green. What color is that? Blue car. Bye-bye, blue. How many blue cars do you think the shark ate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blue cars. Now, let's find out how many green cars there were. Thank you, Mr. Shark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green cars. Let's see how many red cars we put in the buckets. Thank you, Mr. Shark. 1, 2, 3, 4 red cars. Let's see how many yellow cars there were in the yellow bucket. Thank you, Mr. Shark. 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow cars. Now let's see if Mr. Shark can give us the purple bucket to see how many purple cars there were. 1, 2, 3. 3 purple cars. Let's see how many orange cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 orange cars. Let's do our colors: yellow, orange, green, blue, red, and purple, and Mr. Shark.
Thanks for learning with GoGo Flamingo.
And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.